model, 64-plate Volkswagen Transporter T30 2.0 TDI Highline Kombi spares OR repairs body, black, panel van mileage, 194,800 MOT, the 15th of November 2023 engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140PS B transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt has shredded its teeth. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Nice black VW Transporter with windows all-round features, one former keeper, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £11,850. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.